Welcome to Cancun Hair, your premier destination for the best FUE hair transplant in Mexico. Are you ready to transform your look and boost your confidence? At Cancun Hair, we use the latest technology and techniques in Best FUE Hair Transplant. Mexico FUE, or Follicular Unit Extraction, is a minimally invasive procedure that ensures natural-looking results with minimal downtime. This makes it the best option for those looking to regain their hair and confidence without significant disruption to their daily lives. Our skilled surgeons and medical staff are dedicated to achieving the highest standards of excellence. They undergo continuous training and stay updated with the latest advancements in hair restoration techniques. This commitment to excellence sets Cancun Hair apart as the best choice for Best FUE Hair Transplant Mexico. We provide personalized care tailored to each patient's unique needs, ensuring you receive the best treatment possible. Contact us today to schedule your Best FUE Hair Transplant Mexico consultation and take the first step towards a more confident you.